In this guide, we are going over the interior wall blueprint location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point that this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But we're going to go ahead and start over at the live pod itself. This is going to be like the main point of interest right here. And what you're going to want to do is head directly southeast. Now, it is dark outside, so I do want to apologize. It is a little hard to see right now. It's going to be about 450 meters away from the live pod itself. So continue heading southeast for about 450 meters. Now, what you're going to want to do, though, is continue heading this direction until you get to the, fire biome or whatever it's going to be called. Essentially, just go ahead and as soon as you reach the biome, and keep in mind you may need a heat adaptation in order to do this. And you notice you're in this biome because you're going to start getting your temperature increase. Head down, look for this giant little bulb thing right here. Once you see that bulb, if you look down more, you're going to see these little holes in the wall, or I guess in the flooring. You can essentially either stay in your vehicle and go down in here. It's just going to be a little bit harder to get out, so just keep that in mind. Or get out of your vehicle and make your way in here. Once you get in here, though, just keep heading straight down, and you're going to notice a little base over here. This is the base that you need to make your way in. Now, this is a really cool area. I'm going to be honest with you. You get to see those crabs or whatnot. Oh, that's so sick. But essentially, make your way into the hot cave base camp, and I'll pause real quick so you guys can see my coordinates down in the bottom right. But essentially, just make your way in here. You're going to hear a little annoying beeping noise, and oh, I think something's exploding near us. Make your way to that annoying beeping noise, and you're going to see the interior wall recipe data card right here. Click that, and you're good to go. And once again, I'll pause so you guys can see my coordinates. If you guys had any questions, though, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.